Hi, good morning. My name's Esther Morris and I'm one of the partner recruit managers here for Google Cloud. And today we're going to be looking at the new way to cloud through Google. We're going to be looking at the partner program. So the agenda for today, we're going to be looking at the new era of cloud, what that actually means, why there's never been a better time to actually partner with Google Cloud. We're going to look at how we get started on the program, what the program entails, and then we'll open up the floor to some Q&A at the end. So the new era of cloud, there is no disputing that we are entering into a new era. We're not having conversations anymore about infrastructure, lift and shift, where we put our servers and storage. It's going far beyond the infrastructure. What we're doing now is that we're talking about a new dawn, a new revolution, and that revolution is based on intelligence. And I can safely say that Google Cloud is the AI cloud. And the reason why I'm so confident in saying that, we just need to look at the Google mission statement. It's all about organising the world's information and making it universally accessible and useful to all. And what we're going to do is we're going to look into that mission statement and see how it relates to AI and why they're seen as the AI pioneers. So let's just start with that first point. So organisation of the world's data. So that is at the heart of what AI actually does. It's designed to organise data. And what Google have done is that they've opened up that capability, all of their kind of past history, and enabled that to come through to you. That expertise enables you to kind of derive information and intel from your data, get it structured, and make it worthwhile. The second thing is looking at making it universally accessible. So their mission isn't just about organisation information, but they want to make that available to everybody. And they've extended that principle to their AI capabilities. And they've made all of their tools, like I said, available to all. And you don't have to be an expert. That accessibility is key for Google's vision, and they want to make AI available for everybody. And then the third point, it has to be useful. So search is only good as the results it spits out, and the same applies to AI. So what Google have been doing is that they've been making sure that their AI models are solving real problems. They want to make sure that they're practical and applicable in business cases, focusing on challenges and delivering those tangible results. Now, what makes Google really, really exciting for me is it's not a new venture. AI has been a first approach for them since day dot, and having decades of that experience really showcases their capability to be an AI pioneer, and they are being the intelligent cloud. Forrester and Gartner rave about their capabilities in this space. So there's never been a better time to partner with Google. There's never been a better time to look at it. And the reason being is organisations are not just talking about the cloud, like I said before. It's not where do we put our infrastructure. It's about the best fit, the best cloud for the right business outcome. And Google Cloud has been an open cloud again since the very dawn of time. It's deeply rooted in their history and it is part of their business model. We just have to think about Kubernetes, for example. They developed it, they open sourced it, and now it is the industry standard for, application containerization and application portability. They are ready for open cloud. Secondly, their revenue is absolutely soaring. So it's growing 32% year on year. And at the end of last quarter, their revenue jumped up to 13.6 billion. And the majority of that was coming from AI and machine learning opportunities. The next part, they're winning massive deals. So they're really appealing to the enterprise market with deals averaging about 250 million. However, if we look at the partners that might be on this webinar today, they're also focusing on startups. So 60% of UK startups with a generative AI pull are using Google Cloud, and their second largest contributor to growth is actually the SMB market. And again, that's probably where you guys are playing. So talking about Ingram Micro and how we work it. So they're putting a huge emphasis on their partner network. So with rapid growth comes a lot of demand, a lot of friction, and their partners cannot cope with the amount of demand that they've got. So they're putting a big emphasis on growing the partner network through distribution. They're seeing benefit in the channel now. So we're here to support you get on board. It really is as easy as ABC. So first of all, if you've been thinking about Google Cloud, just connect with the team here at Ingram. There's the email address up on the presentation deck. Secondly, once we've run through the conversation and it's something that you want to pursue, we can help you get started with Partner Hub, and we can help you request the right authorizations based on what it is that you're looking to do. And then we can help you set up a cloud identity and get that partnership verified. Now, we've been doing this a while now, and we've come across all of the problems. We know how to solve them. So our mission is to reduce the friction, establish the foundations for success, ongoing success, and we want to enable all of our new Google partners to become self-sufficient and effective. And then fundamentally, we want you to start earning some money. If you have a look at the stat on the screen, you can see that there's loads of revenue to be made here. So not only is it because it's a popular choice, there's a lot of money to be made for you as a partner. If we have a quick look at the programming itself, so we mentioned onboarding support. That's something that we do day in, day out, and we can help you get established really quickly. Secondly, we have scrapped the sign-up fee. So with some of the other cloud vendors, there might be a fee annually to unlock certain benefits, but we've taken that away. And there's no hard requirements to actually get signed up to the program. We're trying to limit any barriers to entry. With it being a new cloud to you, there's a lot more to think about. So we're trying to make it easy. The biggest thing is enabling you to actually start transacting immediately. What we've found with our partners is that they can go and speak to your incumbent customer base and see if they're using any Google Cloud or any workspace products, because you won't know about it, because today they'll be paying Google directly. There's an opportunity for you to bring that bill into you and start earning money quickly. The rebate initiatives are fantastic. So we start everyone off at 5%, and then we can negotiate right up to 12%. It's more compelling and competitive than some of the other vendors. And because the amount of business that's coming through from this, it means that you can actually earn some money. We also want to escalate you through the Google tiering program. So you start off at member, and what we will do is we will support you and nurture you to get to a point where you're at partner and you start being seen by Google. With most things, when we're starting with a new vendor, it's all about training and upskilling. We have unlocked all of the training capabilities for you from Google's Cloud Skills Boost. It's free. And then we also offlay the cost for any exams that you have to do. Now, that's great, because the only thing that you have to invest in is your engineer's time. And at that point, you can start earning your money. We do have a dedicated solutions architect on board as well, so he'll be able to help you with absolutely anything that you need, from a technical element, pre-sales solution build, etc. So whilst you are still getting to grips with the platform and its capabilities, you've got the expertise from Ingram Micro to help you get along from the get-go. We also help you with billing support. So the main part of the partnership program through Ingram Micro is billing and transactions. It's the resell, and we do have in-house experience to support you with billing and making sure that you are getting the right products over to the right billing account with the right margins. We also help you navigate Partner Advantage. So Partner Advantage is Google's Bible. It is the portal where you'll be able to find absolutely everything, but there's a lot of noise. So we help you cut through the noise, navigate where you need to be to get the best for your business, and support you from there as well. And then sales and marketing enablement. So you're probably new to Google, your sales team probably don't know what they're talking about, so we'll be able to help you kind of understand the industry solutions, how it applies, how you can go out and pitch. And we've also got marketing capabilities as well, with some predefined campaigns that are readily available for you. Feel free to reach out to me afterwards and we can discuss further. I'm just going to open up the floor to some Q&A, and on here there's going to be a QR code, so you can actually go in and register your interest for a conversation. Thank you ever so much for your time today. If there's any other questions or anything that you want to run past us, feel free to reach out. Thank you.